Webster City Middle School.
It's Michael here.
And Austin.
This is our 11th show of this season From the Middle.
The weather this week has been great.
Yeah, let's go to George to see the types of weather they've been learning about in science.
Hey, I'm George, and today we're here to talk about weather. In the duration of this week, the 5th grade have been working on weather flyers. As they have been studying severe weather, here are some examples. Students got to choose what type of weather they wanted to research. Then they made a flyer about their topic. Now let's storm it on over to Olivia.
Hey, WCMS. It's Livia here, going to tell you all about the 5th grade musical we had March 5th at the Webster City Middle School. It was called the Granny Awards, with many fairy tale characters. We had a lot of fun putting the musical together, and we did an amazing job with the performance. Here's a little clip to show you how great we did.
Have a seat, settle in, on your mark, get set, get ready, begin. Here we go, enjoy the show, it's the annual Granny Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first annual Granny Awards. We've got some great entertainment for you tonight, and it's all brought to you live from the Fairy Tale Channel. Lead is for the best female vocalist. May I have the envelope, please? I sing to the birds, I sing to the trees, I sing to the butterflies that float upon the breeze, and all who hear come back to me. This song with its simple melody. We're back! The next award is for the best male vocalist. May I have the envelope, please? The winner is Jack from Jack and the Beanstalk. Here he is to sing for you. Gonna climb that vine, gonna climb that vine, that incredible vine, that incredible vine. Gonna climb that vine, till I reach the stars.
The winning fairy tale is Cinderella. Here's that award-winning scene.
It's gotta be the core upon my toe, yes, it's the core upon my toe that makes my foot afraid to grow. I think you should really know that I know what you're looking for. Don't go walking out the door and even try it on.
We are really proud of our performance. Well, that's all for me, so let's sing it on over to the anchors.
Wow, that was interesting.
I thoroughly enjoyed the performance.
I've been looking for a way so you will no longer have orange hair, Michael.
Wow, thanks. We should go to Tavis to think about ways to invent things.
Hey guys, Tavis here talking about Invention Society. On Tuesday the 3rd and Wednesday the 4th, our classes went to the bridge and talked about thinking. We learned about the different steps of thinking: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, evaluation, and synthesis. Then, we talked about fluency, flexibility, originality, elaboration, and evaluation. For each of these topics, we did an activity. After we had worked our minds, we took a break. Everybody made different kinds of containers from one sheet of paper. We ate some delicious snacks out of our containers. We finished off the day by talking about Scamper. After learning all the steps of Scamper, and after we did a couple of worksheets, we put our knowledge to the test. Random items were set on a table, and we thought of ways we could make new inventions. The day was really fun, and we all learned a lot about thinking. That's all from me, so let's send it over to Sean.
What's up, WCMS? Sean here reporting on what the 6th graders are doing in art. We are drawing Zentangle creatures. First, we brainstormed for an animal that we can incorporate the animal into. Then, we draw the animal and outline it with Sharpies. Next, we erase the pencil marks and color it in. Here is an example of a finished Zentangle creature. I'm sure everyone made a fantastic Zentangle creature. Now, let's drop back to the anchors.
Wow, those are really neat.
Yeah, Zentangles are a very interesting subject.
Yeah, you know what else is interesting?
Force and motion?
Yeah, let's go to Kyle to learn more about it.
Hello, Webster City Middle School. It's Kyle bringing you a report over here in Mrs. Miller's room. Lately, we've been learning about the 3 key attributes to movement, which are time, distance, and speed. We've been practicing these by using 1 wooden panel and 1 toy car. By using a few meter sticks, we managed to produce a way to find out the speed of the car with only its distance and time.
Four, you should be ready for problem. So right. So feet. 12. Down here.
We've had a lot of fun with these cars. Now back to the anchors.
Oh, hi, you surprised me. I didn't hear you coming over the singing of the chorus class. By the way, this is Audrey speaking to you, and I'm here to ask you, did you go to the 7th and 8th grade chorus concert on Tuesday, March 10th? We've been practicing our song since after the Christmas concert. It started at 6:30 p.m. The event happened in the multi-purpose room. By the way, is it just me or is it starting to heat up outside? I'm wanting to go check that out while you go visit the anchors.
Wow, that chorus concert was great.
Yeah, they were pretty good.
Now let's go to the 8th graders to hear what they've been learning about the Vietnam War in language class.
Hi, I'm Jackson, reporting on 8th grade reading and language. We're learning about the Vietnam War and its effect on our country. Vietnam is a small country located in southern Asia. During the time of the war, Vietnam was split into North Vietnam and South Vietnam. North Vietnam was communist and under the leadership of Ho Chi Minh. North Vietnam was trying to take over South Vietnam and make them communist. Americans feared this because they believed in the domino effect. They thought that if one country went communist, others would follow, just like dominoes. So the United States sent special forces to train the Southern Vietnam Army to defend themselves against the Viet Cong, Ho Chi Minh's communist army. The United States realized that South Vietnam needed more help. A draft was held to get more men sent to Vietnam in 1970. The president during that time, Richard Nixon, had said he would end the war, but when instead he expanded it, protests that were sometimes violent broke out. In 1975, America ended their involvement in the war. South Vietnam fell to the Viet Cong. Today in Washington, D.C., there is a memorial to honor the veterans of the war. That's what's going on in 8th grade reading. Now let's pass it on over to Isaac.
Hey WCMS, Isaac here. On Friday, March 6th, the 8th graders went on a field trip to the Civic Center in Des Moines to watch scrap art music. Scrap art music uses recycled materials to make drums and other instruments. They have made every instrument they use. Some instruments they made are the Anoyophone, Junk on a Stick, B-52 drum, and many more. The band members are Spencer Cole, Jill Cooper, Gregory Kozak, Greg Samek, and Malcolm Schulbraid. I really enjoyed watching them perform, and I would like to do it again. Now let's cycle it on over to the anchors.
I'm really glad Mr. Stone could take time off from fishing to chaperone the trip to Des Moines.
Yeah, me too, but I heard he caught some big ones over the weekend.
Now on to upcoming events.
There's a 2-hour early release on Thursday.
Yeah, but we have to go to school all day on Friday.
That's okay, because we have all of next week off for spring break.
And when we get back, spring sports practices start on Monday the 23rd.
And Character Counts Day is on Thursday the 26th, so enjoy it a lot.
That's all for now. Enjoy the nice weather, and we'll see you again on April 1st.
Until next time,
From the middle.